Good morning!
Good morning!
Okay, good morning! Today is Saturday, February 25 and magluluto tayo ng tuyo and pusit. Yummy. So guys, ito na dried pusit, tuyo, and galunggong with sinangag, fried rice, and of course, mas kompleto kapag merong sawsawang suka. Si Kaylee kumain na ito. Ang kinain niya. And this is the cinnamon rolls na binake ko. And that's it.
I sent another letter to you.
Kain tayo.
Look at the
So
letter.
let's eat. It's our breakfast and I have my coffee. So actually those goodies came from Philippines. We have a friend, Lorna, just came back from Philippines and she brought us some goodies like pusit, tuyo, and danggit, and also these banana chips. Yeah. So thank you and kain.
Bidaan nga kayong Filipino store mamaya. Bilan nyo yung gel. Isa lang. Yung fix. Play-doh.
Kuya, mag-hello ka muna sa viewer namin. Hi, Bobo! Hi, Bobo Bear! Yes, what's your problem, Bobo? Up!
I have a very small mouth.
Here. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Kelly.
Hi.
Where's Frankie? Oh, that is the... Okay. Hi, wanna say hi to our vlog?
Hey,
Hey.
be nice.
Be nice, little boy. Big boy. Oh, no. Oh. Oh. We have a small puppy.
Take it.
Yeah, be careful, beautiful. No, we don't need that. That's for the golf. Hello to my vlog. Hello, my name is Boo Boo and we're here at Canadian Tire. love this.
What are you doing there?
Nothing. I'm reading.
Let's go, beauty.
So, bumalik kami dito sa car. Parang ang laki-laki ko sa jacket. Kasi dog is not allowed inside. Oh my god. Nabalik ko nga. Parang ang laki ko. And then, mag-stay na lang kami dito sa car. Habang yung kapatid ko at yung anak niya, si Kaylee, nasa loob ng Valley Village. And snowing, snowing, raining, wet snow. Parang may tinik ako. Doon sa tuyo. Alaman natin ang car ni si Sams. What's this? What's inside his car? Ayan. Siguro ito yung mga insurance, gloves, for snow. And wala naman sa side. Here is water, Kinder egg, Kaylee's mittens, car key, ziploc bag. Ziploc bag. And Bubu's there. Hi, my beautiful girl. Hello, my beautiful girl. Hi, Bubu. Kaylee's jacket. Booster. And yun lang. So, okay. Ayan. There, Valley Village. So, ayan. May parang umuulan. Parang umuulan. Umuulan nga, ayan ba? And then, there. The front of us. Ayan, in front. And the side. Okay, wet snow. And it's raining now. So kung napansin nyo yung car ng sister ko, ang dumi. Guys, kapag nandito kayo sa isang lugar na snow, tapos ganto ganyan, umuulan, tapos magi-snow. So hindi mo ma-maintain na maging malinis katulad kapag nasa ano ka, yung alam mo sa Pilipinas, napakalinis lagi ng sasakyan. Kasi hindi naman nag-snow doon, hindi nag-wet snow. So mahirap i-maintain. Minsan, if you're done cleaning, minsan kasi nagka-car wash yung kapatid ko, ika-car wash na niya to. After that, magi-snow sa hapon. So 'di ba, sayang lang yung pera. So better para minsan once a week lang yung nililinis at hindi maiwasan na magdumi na ganyan kadumi. Para kang para siya nagtatrabaho sa construction site na laging madumi yung car, lalo na sa labas. So yun.